Pretty sweet. Well, how to get the bearing race off? When you press out the bearing, you'll be left with something like this. This is where the wheel goes on. So we take our, our grinder. In this case, it's a Dremel, battery operated, good stuff. And you try to cut like this, so you can get in the bearing race pretty deep without touching the hub thing where the race sits on that thing. So when you cut it, you have some room to put in a little chisel. I use the big one right here, just, and then you create a hairline crack right over here, if you can see it. Yep, right over there. And if you can crack it, it opens. The race opens a little bit, just enough to slide it off. There you go. Have a good day. Tap it in the right spot. There we go. That's my boy. That's my boy. Silky smooth.